Well, them wheelies. We're back at you today. Sunshine and cannabis, you know. We got the orange white mini bike. We got the 79cc Predator engine. Customer brought it to us. It had a problem. Chain kept popping. He couldn't get the motor lined up correctly. So, see, we got the bike tacked up to our engine stand here. And we put a new plate, tacked it up on this side. Got this new bar ramming. Rob's welding it all in right now. You see now he's straight. Chain's a little loose, but don't worry guys, we got a tensioner coming for that. But now when you roll the tire, it doesn't pop off every time. That's it, y'all. 79cc Predator mounted in the mini bike. Weld and wheelies. Big, small, dirty, or clean. You know the kid's gonna make her scream. While we're getting this welded up, I want to point out the old suspension seat on the mini bike. The bike itself, no suspension, but the seat got some spring. Look at that. 2 springs on the front forks. Some nice wide tires. Man, if you can't have fun on a bike like this, you probably can't have fun anyway. Shoot. You just got to send it. Look at that, guys. She's coming along. Stay tuned for the test ride. That motherfucker is in there. Yeah, bud. Way stronger than before. And ready to go, son. Alright, y'all. So you see we put some paint on the fresh metal down there. Rob's finishing up bolting the motor in now. Gonna get this chain put on and then work on the chain tensioner. It's gonna be a badass little machine. What y'all think? Drop it in the comments. We want to know your thoughts, especially of that sticker. Let us know what you think of the sticker and what you think of the bike. All right, y'all see it. Rob's gonna finish this carburetor cleanup so we can get this thing running right. And look at this. Here go the neighborhood. The boys just came out the woodworks on us. They just waking up and we halfway through 3 jobs. Look at this shit. Jeez. Florida Bait Boys.
Hey, y'all gotta show me that track, man. That shit be looking crazy.
It's crazy.